इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ स्पेंसर। फेरिक्विन। फेरिक्विन जो कि एडवर्ड स्पेंसर का वर्क है ये। फेरिक्विन 1590 में 3 बुक, 1596 6 बुक। इट इज द इपिक पोयम। फेरिक्विन इपिक पोयम है ऑफ स्पेंसर। इट इज रिटन इन स्पेंसरियन अस्टंजा। स्पेंसरियन अस्टंजा इपिक पोयम है और इसको लिखा गया स्पेंसरियन अस्टंजा में। ए बी, इसका राइम स्कीम है ए बी, ए बी, बी सी, बी सी, सी। ये एक एपिक पोयम है, एडवर्ड स्पेंसर का लिखा हुआ, और इसको लिखा गया है स्पेंसरियन अस्टेंजा में। ऑल द बुक्स आर बेस्ड ऑन किंग अर्थर। द फर्स्ट 3 books were published in 1590. 3 books published in 1590, and second set of 3 books were published in 1596. Spencer states that the aim behind the Fairy Queen was to fashion a gentleman or noble person in virtuous and gentle discipline. Actually, Spencer had planned to write 24 books. एक्चुअली इसको स्पेंसर प्लान किया था 24 बुक्स लिखने, बट इट रिमाइंड अनफिनिश्ड, लेकिन यह अनफिनिश्ड रह गया। द इंट्रोडक्टरी लेटर ऑफ फेरी क्वीन was written to Walter Raleigh. Dryden commented on it for its lack of unity. It is an allegorical epic poem in which we can find the praise of Queen Elizabeth. We can find the praise of Queen Elizabeth as Glorina. Each book represents a virtue of knight. Spencer called this epic as a dark consist. The 7th book was incomplete. 7 book इसका incomplete रहा, which deals with the subject of mutability, represent the virtue of constancy. The virtue of constancy. The 6 books represents the flowing virtues of the knights. पहला है फर्स्ट रेड क्रॉस नाइट, होलीनेस ऑफ एंगिलिनिया चर्च। सेकंड है सर ग्योन टेम्परेंस। थर्ड है लेडी नाइट, बैरिटोमाट चस्टिटी। फोर्थ है क्रीमोंड एंड कैम्बेल, फ्रेंडशिप। फिफ्थ है आर्टिगल जस्टिस। सिक्स है सर कैलिडोर कॉर्टिसी, सर कैरिल्डो कॉर्टसी। सेवंथ है mutability, virtue of consistency incomplete. 6 सर कैलिडोर कटसी, म्यूटेबिलिटी जो कि वर्च्यू ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी इनकम्प्लीट है। Aristotle is regarded as the source of these virtues. The poem is written in Spenserian stanza AB, AB, BC, BC, C. The poem is modeled on Orlando's Horatio and Torquato Tasso Jerusalem Delivered. देखते हैं हम लोग बुक वन देखते हैं। दिस बुक इज सेंटर्ड ऑन वर्च्यू ऑफ होलीनेस एज embedded in the Red Cross Knight. He and his lady Yuna travel together as he fights the dragon Euro, then separate as the wizard Archimingo tricks the Red Cross Knight in a dream to think that Yuna is Yanchester. After he leaves, the Red Cross Knight meets Dusa, who forages distress in order to interrupt him. Duesa leads the Red Cross's knights to captivity captivity by the Ghent Orgullo. Manuel Una overcomes peril, meets Arthur, and finally finds the Red Cross Knight and rescues him from his capture for Duessa and from despair. Una and Arthur help the Red Cross Knight recover in the House of Holiness, with the house ruler Celia and her three daughters joining them. There the Red Cross Knight see a vision of his future. He then returns Una to her parents. He then return Una to her parents. Castle and recouch them from a dragon, and the two are betrothed after reciting Archimingo on last time. देखते हैं सेकंड बुक सेकंड देखते हैं. दिस बुक इज सेंटर्ड ऑन द वर्च्यू ऑफ टेम्परेंस एज embodied in Sir Guion, who is tempted by the feeling Archimango into nearly attacking the Red Cross Knight. Guion discovers Ye Omen killing herself out of grief for having her lover tempted and bewitched by the witch Arisia and killed. Guion swears Ye to revenge them and protect their child. Guion, on his quest, stops fighting several evil Rus or tricked knights and meets Arthur. Finally, they come to Arcasia's island and the Boar of Blaze, where Guion resists temptations to wellness, illnesses, and just Guion capture Acacia in a net, destroys the boar, and restores those imprisoned there. अब देखते हैं हम लोग बुक थर्ड. बुक थर्ड जो है, दिस बुक इज सेंटर ऑन द वर्च्यू ऑफ chastity as embodied in Berrimot, a lady knight. Resting after the events of book second, Guion and Arthur meets Berrimot, who win a just with Guion. They separate as Arthur and Guion leaves to rescue Felirmel, while Berrimot rescue the Red Cross's knight. Berrimot reveals to the Red Cross knight that she is pursuing Sir Etigel because she is destined to marry him. The Red Cross's knight defends Etigel and they meet Merlin, who explains more carefully Berrimot's destiny to found the English monarchy. Berrimot leaves and fights Sir Marinel. Arthur looks for Florimel, joined later by Sir Astrain and Berrimot, and they witness and resist sexual temptation. ठीक है. उसके बाद है Berrimot separates from them and meets Sir Escudamore, looking for his captured Lady Emerald. Berrimot alone is able to rescue Emerald from the wizard Besuren. Unfortunately, when they emerge from the castle, Sedumore is gone. The 1590 version with books 1/3 depicts the lovers' happy reunion, but this was changed in the 1596 version, which contained all 6 books. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं बुक 4. बुक 4 है डिस्पाइट इट्स टाइटल द लीजेंड ऑफ कैम्बल एंड टेलमोंड और फ्रेंडशिप. Campbell companion in book 4. Campbell companion in book 4 is actually named Tremond. Campbell companion book 4 में actually named Tremond. And the plot does not center on their friendship. The two men appear only briefly in the story. The book is largely a continuation of events begun in book 3rd. First, Sedumore is convicted by the hags. It is discovered that Britomart has a run of which Emrit and become jealous. A 3-day tournament is then held by Satrian where Britomart beats Erthegel both in disguise. Sedmore and Erthegel unite against Britomart. Sedmore and Erthegel unite हो गया against Britomart के against. But when her helmet comes off in battle, Erthegel falls in love with her. He Saunders removes his helmet and Britomart recognizes him as the man in Enchanted Mirror. Enchanted Mirror. Artegal pledges his love to her, but must first live and complete his quest. Sedmore, upon discovering Britmont's gender, realizes his mistake and asks after his lady, but by this time Britmont has lost Emret and she and Sedmore embark together on a search for her. The reader discovers that Emrut was abducted by a savage man and is imprisoned in his cave. One day, Emrut darts out past the savage and is rescued from him by the square Hemens and Belfave. Arthur then appears offering his service as a knight to the lost woman. She accepts, and after a couple of trailers trials on the way, Arthur and Emerald finally happens across Sedmore and Britomart. The two lovers are reunited, warping up different polyline from book 3rd. The recently discovered Marinel discovers Folirmel suffering in Proteus doesn't he return home and becomes sick with love and pity. Eventually he confesses his feeling to his mother. And she pleads with Neptune to have the girl released, which the god grants. अब देखते हैं बुक 5th जो है, बुक 5th में it is centered on the virtue of justice embodied and Sir Etegal. बुक 5th में जस्टिस होता है embedded Sir Etegals. बुक 6 देखते हैं. It is centered on virtue courtesy as embedded in Sir Calidor. ओके, ये था फेरी क्वीन जो कि एडवर्ड स्पेंसर लिखा है. इसका 3 बुक आया था और एक बार 6 बुक आया है. ठीक है, तो इसका 3 बुक जो है वो 1590 में आया है और 6 बुक 1596 में आया. इसका देख लिए हम लोग 6 बुक एक एक करके फेरी क्वीन का. बुक 1 देख लिए, बुक 2, बुक 3, बुक 4 और बुक 5, बुक 6. ओके, फिर है द शेफर्ड्स. हम लोग देखते हैं फिर शेफर्ड कैलेंडर. ओके, फेरी क्वीन जो कि एडवर्ड स्पेंसर का वर्क था, ये हम लोग देख लिए पूरा अच्छा से लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.